If you want to learn how to use emoji to increase your Facebook ads click-through rate and even generate more sales using the exact same budget, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. And more specifically, if you go into my YouTube channel, you'll actually see a ton of Facebook ad tutorial that is designed to get you results. Now, in today's video, I'm going to talk about emojis, because emojis are proven to increase your click-through rate and even generate more sales for your Facebook ads. However, if you used emoji incorrectly, it can actually destroy your Facebook ad campaign. And I'm going to actually talk about it inside our video today. But before we get into it, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So when it comes to emojis for Facebook ads, a lot of people ask me, Fred, where do you use your emoji? Well, the one website that I go to is called phillyapps.com. On this website, I can actually use all the most common and also emojis that will actually show up on Facebook ads. Some websites that provide emojis may actually not show up correctly in your Facebook ad post text. But with phillyapps.com, it actually will showcase all the emojis that you are wanting to use. Now, I'll leave the link right below in the video description so that you guys don't have to copy it down. Now, when it comes to emoji, there are 5 insider secrets for you to follow to ensure that you are maximizing your emojis and actually not hurting your Facebook ads. And I'm going to talk about it inside this video. And without waiting further ado, let's dive right into it. So insider secret number 1 is that you want to use emoji as an opener. So each time you are writing the post text at the very top of your ad, and also right where you put in the headline, we use emoji right in the beginning. Because by doing so, having an emoji adds in some color to your ad and it actually pops out to your consumer when they're scrolling through the newsfeed. They will actually see it more visibly than just having text right in the beginning. And I call this the opener. And the most important thing is that the opener of the emoji that you're using, it should be relevant to whatever you are selling or offering on your ad. Now, insider secret number 2 is the fact that you want to use emoji every 2 to 3 sentences. You don't want to have emoji overly used in your ad. If you do so, Facebook will completely shut down your ad because they don't see your ad as a high quality ad. So my rule of thumb is simply every 2 to 3 sentences, I would actually add in an emoji right in my post text. So if you have a long copy with a lot of story component in your ad copy, then you would actually add in more emoji. If you're using a short copy, then you don't want to use too many emojis. Again, the rule of thumb is essentially 2 to 3 sentences, you want to actually add in 1 emoji right in there. Now, insider secret number 3 is the fact that you want to use emoji as bullet points. So what are bullet points? Essentially, just kind of like Amazon product listing, you can actually put in 5 or 6 different bullet points to actually showcase the benefit of your product. And instead of just using dash or simply check marks, you can actually use an emoji of a green check mark or simply a black check mark to really get people to see all the benefits by glance. And by doing so, you don't have to have the audience to read every single word in your ad copy. And when they're going through and scrolling through the newsfeed, when they actually see these bullet points, it catches their attention right away. And in that case, they actually start seeing the benefit of your product and offer. It's going to actually more likely to get your click to your website. Now, insider secret number 4 is that you always want to use relevant emoji. So what I mean by that is, let's say that you run a beauty and cosmetic store. Well, guess what? You want to use things like a lipstick, or you want to use things that is simply a female doing her nails as the emoji. Having those instantly build rapport with your audience. Because with emojis and people using emoji on a regular basis, it instantly creates a rapport. They can actually see it and understand exactly what your offer is about. Now, at the same time, it really boils down into who you are selling to. If you are selling to an older demographic of people maybe in the 65 plus, they may not really understand emoji. So at that point, having a relevant emoji may actually hurt you. So with that being said, when it comes to emoji, you still have to remember relevancy is the key. Whoever you're selling to, make sure you use emoji that really represents your product and that your audience can completely create a rapport with your ad by seeing those emoji. Now, insider secret number 5 is the fact that you do not want to overly use emoji. One quick example is that if you are trying to game the system by having 5-star and say that you're getting a 5-star review about your product, chances are Facebook will actually shut down your ad because they do not allow that. And you are overly using emoji because you're having 5 different emoji at the same time. And in fact, like I said earlier, you don't want to use too many emojis right in your post text or your entire ad. Because if you do so, Facebook actually sees your ad as low quality. When you have low quality ads, your CPM is going to be a lot more expensive than what your competitors are paying. So in a nutshell, as long as you follow my rule of 2 to 3 different sentences, then add in an emoji or use it as a bullet point or even just use it as an opener, then you are absolutely going to be fine. And as I said, emoji is proven to increase the click-through rate of your ad. And the higher your click-through rate is, obviously the lower cost per click that you pay, and the lower cost per click that you pay, then you actually generate more sales and more profit with your Facebook ads. However, at the same time, the click-through rate is really going to be determined on the CPM. So what I mean by that is you can actually have a really good click-through rate, but if your CPM is really expensive, you would actually need to do more in your copy or create a better video to actually get your click-through rate higher. Now, this may sound a lot confusing and you don't understand what I'm talking about. This is why we've created the world's first Facebook ad analyzer, which actually tells you exactly based on the CPM that you are paying, what click-through rate that you would need in order for you to actually generate profit for your Facebook ad. And I'll leave the link right in the video description right down below that you can actually check out this Facebook ad analyzer, how it can actually save you money, time, effort, and even make more money with your Facebook ads. So all in all, remember, use emoji for your ads, but don't overly use them. And as long as you follow the 5 insider tips that I share with you inside this video, you will get a better click-through rate ad, and also it will drop your cost per click and also drop your cost per purchase as well. So at the end of the day, this is what I do and what I use emoji for my business. And if you love this strategy, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Now, at the same time, once again, we have a ton of Facebook ad tutorial right on my YouTube channel. So make sure you indulge in yourself and go through all the video training, because I can tell you it's even better than a course that you are going to buy. So with that being said, again, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're going to get notified right away. Till next time.